Another day, another Sharge product. And yeah, this one might be the Uber Sharge product or the final boss Sharge product. I'm not really certain, but it certainly looks pretty cool. The Shargeek 170 power bank. We're going to be opening this up, trying it out right after this. Okay, so let's just open this up, and one thing I like about it is how transparent it is. Look at this guy. Yeah, once I get these things off. Okay, all right, got them off. One off. There it is. Oh my gosh, he looks awesome, doesn't he? This is why I wanted to review this. I mean, look at how cool this thing is. Now, there's got to be a button to turn it on, right? Okay, let's try it. Really? Nothing? I kind of thought that this thing would be charged or something. Okay, I always have a backup plan. In my case, I'm charging it down here right now. So I think the best thing I can look at now is its accessories. So let's see what it comes with. All right, this is where it gets pretty exciting. I've got this, this nice bag for it. Very nice. Plus I've got a Sharge cable. It looks like it's USB-C to USB-C. It's not really the one I'm using down here, but we'll get to that when we get to that. Hopefully I can use it without a little bit of problems there. But I think it's best I kind of talk about a few other things about this product here. And wow, let's start the conversation. Okay, so let's go through some of the features here, because I've got it on now. Yeah, I got to keep it plugged in, because I just took it out of the box. Normally these things work right out of the box, and you can use them for a while and demonstrate them. Not this time, apparently. But hey, that's fine. This is a 3-device fast charging, and it's got ports up here. I got 2 USB-Cs and 1 USB-A. One I can use when I'm using the charge right now, but hey, I've already discussed that issue. I'm talking about a 170 watt max output. That's pretty good, isn't it? And then a 140 watt max input, also pretty good. And I'm told I could recharge from 0 to 50 in about 20 minutes. Not bad. Not bad at all. I'm seeing a lot of stats here. I'm gonna have to go into more detail as far as like what these stats are actually giving me here. But wow, okay. This is one of those things like, I think I once reviewed a charger from a company called Romos. I got it at CES, and I did a review of that a while ago. You can check that out if you want to see it for yourself. I swear the thing actually looked just like this, but I could be wrong here. So just to be on the safe side, since I have this charging cord that was given to me, and I happen to have a phone here that could probably use a little juice, I might as well just plug it in here and see what we've got here. So, oh yeah, getting it right away. So yeah, it's a mobile battery. What do you expect? This thing has some other features. It is IP66 water resistant. I'm gonna have to look up what that is, but hey, you get it. So, and of course the smart display, which I'm gonna have to talk about on the, I guess I'm gonna talk about that on the article. But yeah, Sharge is just one of those products that just hasn't let me down yet. Everything that they have sent me, I've always thought was pretty cool. I did the retractable cable thing. I did one of their power banks. I did another one that actually had a leaning kind of MagSafe kind of magnetic charging function. There's so much that this company can do. So the fact that it came out of the box and I wasn't able to use it right away, I'm not going to hold it against it and stuff like that, because something tells me, I'm just going to do this now. What if I just unplug this? Yeah, just as I thought. It stayed charged. So what happens if I push this button? Okay. Yeah, I'm not really certain what's going on here as far as this button is concerned. I'm thinking, is that something that tells you like it's charging? We're definitely going to have to check this out here in the user manual. Okay, so just to be on the safe side, this is 24,000 milliampere per hour, or milliampere hours. Not bad for a product like this. Something that, while it might not necessarily be pocket size, it is pretty easily portable. It is weighty though, just to let you know. Now apparently this design was inspired by Dark Side of the Moon. Are you familiar with that Pink Floyd album? Because yeah, it's kind of got a really cool cover on that. That's very iconic. Definitely has a prism side, and this thing does kind of look like a prism with its sides here. I'm really glad it's transparent here. I like the aesthetic of that. Makes it look very, very fancy. I mean, I could Like, say if I'm at a fancy charging party, I take this out and everyone will go, "Oh, how awesome that is!" You know, they'll do that because it's a fancy charging party. Those exist. Okay, as for the price, I'm seeing it right now for about a price of $109 or maybe $199. Yeah, I'm seeing two different prices on that because that's usually how that works when you do something like that. It just is. Lately, every product I'm reviewing has that sort of markdown price on there. So maybe that's why they send this stuff to me, so I can get the word out. Message received, message broadcasted. Anyway, I think that's all I can say about this thing for now. So this is Mark Rollins from the Geek Church, signing off.